everyone, and welcome to a new video. Today, I'm going to do some makeup inspired by Lion King. Let's get started.
I start as usual, priming my face with my First Aid Beauty Ultra Hydronic Hydrating Primer. Next, I did my eyebrows. Then I took this golden honey yellow, kind of orangey toned yellow, I guess, very close to matching the shirt color I was wearing, and blended that onto my upper eyelid. Now going in with this orangey sunset kind of color, I put that along my lower lash line and all the way out to create a line that will follow to make a wing later. Now on a flat brush, we are going to take this brown from Colourpop and line that right along the upper lash line to add a smoky winged eyeliner look. Repeat these steps on the other side. For mascara, I'm going to take this one from Too Faced and swipe that on. And just to add something a little extra, I'm going to pop a little bit of yellow glitter in the corner of my eyes. Now we're going to add some shine with my Ofra Star Island highlighter and just put that everywhere because why not? To finish the whole look, I'm going to take my Mellow Cosmetics matte lipstick in Nude. And there you have it, my Lion King inspired makeup. That I guess you could also say is like Winnie the Pooh inspired or sunset inspired, because you know, have fun with it, call it whatever you want, do some fun makeup.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. This was my Lion King inspired makeup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!